Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is actually something I filmed totally unplanned. It's a soft yet glamorous purple shimmer eye that you can pair with any purple outfit or even switch up the shimmer shade to match whatever you're wearing this festive season. The base is kept fresh and glowy and the eyes are the main focus. Perfect for evening Diwali parties or family get-togethers. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This video is a very last minute video. I was just randomly scrolling on YouTube and I came across Shreya Jain's Diwali makeup look, and just by looking at that look, I was like, I need to film a look. Yep, here I am with a purple outfit, gajra on my hair, earrings मैं बाद में पहनूंगी. So let's just jump right in. So I've just shaved my face, and to calm my skin and prepare my skin for makeup, I'm gonna be using this toner by Pilgrim. It's the Red Wine Face Mist and Toner with niacinamide and aloe. It's a very beautiful toner. I just keep quiet for a bit and then spray it and then talk. Okay, yes. So I was talking about this toner. This toner, I use it on my brides. They instantly feel refreshed, and you will know why once you get it. So yeah. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using a PAC Moisture Lotion. Now make sure that you use very strategically if you have oily skin like me. This is really great for dry skin people. As you can see, I'm almost out of this. It's that good. I've used it on a lot of my brides. And क्योंकि ये खत्म होने वाला है तो मैंने अपने personal kit में से add कर लिया. I think if you're a makeup artist, you will relate to this, that once any product starts to, get empty, we just sanitize it very quickly and just shift it to our personal kit and get new ones for our clients. I mean, that's what I do, and I know you would relate to. Okay, so let's just move to the base makeup. For concealing and my discoloration, I'm going to be using concealer shade that is very close to my skin tone. And this one I'll use later on after the foundation to highlight under my eyes, the nose, and between the brows, and also my chin. Let's just quickly do it. Now you can use an orange corrector as well, or use 2 or 3 shades darker concealer. I'm using this because it is a shade darker than my actual skin tone. This might look on camera that it is 1 shade lighter, but it is not. So after blending with the brush, I will blend everything using a beauty blender, because if you know me, I will always go in with a beauty blender last May. Even if the brush ka finish is amazing, I will still go in and blend everything with the blender. Oh, and also this concealer is really good for your daily use. I mean, if we were doing no foundation makeup look, I would have used this all over my face, because you can just see how beautifully it cancels out everything. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो कि मैं जो ब्रश में है already, I'm just spreading it all over my face. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Coverage foundations. I will be mixing these 2 shades together because this shade right here, tan, is a bit too orange for me, and this shade, porcelain, is a bit too light for me. I will just mix them on the back of my hand. Shake the bottle really nicely. So I'm warming it up on the back of my hand. Go in directly like this, and I will blend it using a beauty blender because my hands are already melting the product, right? So half of the work is already done. I absolutely love this foundation. It's one of those foundations that you cannot go wrong with. I've used it on my brides in my initial years. I still have it in my kit for people who want to get their party makeup done because it's just so good. It's so easy to work with, gives a beautiful coverage, and it just does not feel heavy. I know I'm looking a lot flatter because there's literally no dimension on my face right now, but we'll get the dimensions back with powder, bronzer, and contour. Now I'm going to be using this lighter shade of concealer to highlight under my eyes and the nose area and between my brows. Alright, I'm done blending everything. Right now, I feel like mixing 2 kinds of blush. And for the liquid blush, I'm gonna be using this Dream Beauty Nebula Cream Blush in the shade Carina Crimson. And when I'll be applying the powder blush, I'm gonna be using a soft sheen blush. And this blush, you guys, you will know what I'm talking about. Well, I haven't really talked about it, but you will know. This this is just such a beautiful blush. It just does not move the base underneath. The subtle sheen it has, it's just beautiful. Love the texture and the pigmentation. And as you can see, it's really easy to blend. It's also very easy to blend with the brushes. I'm gonna set everything in quickly with Lakme face powder in the shade Warm Pink. And because I have oily skin, I will set my entire face. Now we'll be moving to the eye look. I just want to make sure that eyeshadow का fallout मेरे under eyes पे ना आए. तो उसके लिए मैं जो ये powder है उसको अच्छे से under eyes पे लगा लूँगी. I'm just placing it, not blending it. After we are done with the eye look, we can dust it off. And once we are finished with the eyes, we'll just move on to the rest of the base makeup. That is powder bronzer, powder blush. Highlighter, we will be skipping that today because the blush I'm going to be using today has a very beautiful sheen to it. So I have quickly finished this side of my face. My battery was somehow close to dead. So I put it on charge and in the meantime I finished this. So let's just quickly get started with this eye look and complete the base makeup as well. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this Showstopper palette by Prosh Beauty. So for my transition shade, I'm going to be using these two shades together. And for the shimmer shade, I will be using this shade first. And towards the center, I'll slightly tap with this. This is a gorgeous. So this is a gorgeous purple shimmer. And also I forgot one main shadow. Is this dark brown shade. For that smoky effect, I'm gonna be dipping into that. Taking these two shades on a fluffy blending brush. I'll just start swirling around the brush and blend the shades. You don't have to be that precise. You just have to build some sort of color on the lid because the entire face is flat, right? So we just need to create some depth around the eyes. Yeah, that's about it. And now I'm going to be switching the brush and I'm going to be using a very tiny blending brush and I'll dip into this dark brown shadow. Stop the excess and just focus on the outer area, okay, this part of the eye, and just slightly bring it in. We're not gonna be creating a very heavy smoked out look. Just soft smoky eyes are what we are going for today. I think that's it. I'm happy with this pigmentation. Now we'll be moving towards that shimmer shade. I'm taking it on my index finger and just tap it all over my lid. ज़्यादा ऊपर मत जाना because our fingers are not very sharp, so it will not look cohesive. We'll blend the shadow like the shimmer particles using that smaller blending brush. And for that purple glow, I'm dipping on this lavender shimmer and just tap it gently. Now just quickly take your smaller blending brush and just diffuse the edges, these edges too. And now for my lashes, I am going in with some mascara and then false lashes. These lashes are from Bombay Vanity and it's in the style Elegant. Now you know me, right? I never go without the lashes. And I think I will also suggest you to do the same because this is a very festive, very sort of somehow bold eye look. So lashes will enhance the entire look of it and it would look really beautiful. Even if you don't want to go heavy with the lashes, you can just go in with lighter lashes. So yeah, I would definitely recommend to add some drama on your eyes. From here on, I had to switch to a voiceover because there was a lot of noise in the background. But I will still walk you through each step properly. You'll see me applying my lashes, which are from Bombay Vanity. Then I'll fill in my brows using this PAC pomade in the shade Cuban Espresso. Just take your time doing your brows. So I'm just filling around the edges, just giving the eyebrows the body so that it looks cohesive. So I dusted off the excess powder from underneath my eyes and then I moved on to powder bronzer. I'm using this palette by Forever 52. And for the blush, I'm using this beautiful soft pink blush from PAC Cosmetics, which has a lovely sheen to it. And that is why I was talking previously that why I'm not going for the highlighter because this blush is gonna do that for you. Finally, setting everything in place with a fixing spray from Pack Cosmetics. This is a beautiful spray. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video on the products that I swear by in my professional makeup kit, and I will definitely come up with that. Now let's move on to the lips. For my lips, I'm using this dark brown lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Dark Chocolate. After applying the lip liner, I'm smudging the lip liner towards inside of my lips, okay, so that it covers the majority of my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from Pack Cosmetics. I forgot the shade, but I will link every product detail in the description box below. And for the liquid lipstick, I felt like going in with this Lover's liquid lipstick in the shade Espresso Martini, because it's that beautiful nude which will, just balance out everything that is going on in my face. And that's the final look. I love how the purple shimmer catches the light. It's festive without being too loud, and honestly it will go beautifully with so many Indian outfits. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who are getting ready for the festive season. Comment below what color shimmer you would love to try with this look. I would love to get some inspo from you guys too. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.